Okay, so trying to finish all this stuff up. It's a lot of when you're doing landscaping, man. It's a lot of work. This stuff doesn't just pop up with a snap of a finger. But anyways, I'm putting these little bricks down on the edge. So with the purpose of putting this there is to prevent the grass from growing into here, because it wants to grow all crazy. So it'll be easy to be able to line it, but to cut the grass, because it'll have that barrier. So once I go over it with the edger, it'll be easy to just say go around that without having to worry about it dealing with the dirt. Plus I'm going to put some rubberized mulch in there, so then that's going to prevent it from growing. But before I even put that down on the dirt, I'm going to be putting this right here. Boom. So I'm going to be cutting a long piece, and I'm going to be fitting it over all the plants by cutting a hole wherever I need to, so I can just fit it all over. So it could just be one big piece instead of putting multiple pieces. It'd be easy to do multiple pieces, but I'd rather have it just one piece. So anyways, let me hop to it. Okay, so I got that rolled out, whatever that material is called, I'm not sure, but I have these little X's cut out in the center so I can place them over the plants. Okay, so I got that tidied up. Go ahead and put this rubberized mulch down. This stuff right here. Vigoro. Vigoro. Something, I don't know. There we go. Looking pretty professional, I'll say. Yeah. All right now. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that work. All right, you guys, I'm done. Next week, I gotta do the other side. So for right now, deuces.